Hi all, we are in Feltham today in well near Heathrow, working on this Audi TT 2 litre FSI. It's a 2007 model. Client called us because he's just bought the car and it did have a slight hesitation when it was idling. So basically he's called us in. We're doing a 2-stage carbon clean on it. So very clean for its age. The 2-stage clean service that we've done here is a hydrogen engine carbon clean service and our injector cleaner. So this is Josh with his Audi TT that we've just seen the video on. Josh, why was it that you called me out?
It's just running a bit rough, it was misfiring every few seconds, sounded not too healthy, so I just wanted to see if good clean out would improve it really.
Okay, fantastic. And so far you've told me a few things about how you think it's affected the vehicle. What would you say it was?
It's quieter now, it's running a bit smoother, like idling's down now and it doesn't misfire every few seconds. It sounds a lot nicer as well, and I can see a lot of the dirt came out of the engine as well.
That's fantastic. Okay, that's brilliant, Josh. Thank you very much. Just so that you're aware, once this service is actually finished, Josh will take the car for a good 15-20 minute blast, and it'll be even better than that, a lot smoother and a lot quieter. Pickup will be a lot better as well. That's the general benefits we get from doing this service like this. So have a great day, everyone. Thanks a lot, Josh.